This is the Madsen bucket bike in the rain. It's a light rain and we think it's gonna fade out, but it is that tropical storm coming, I guess, up from the tropics.
Helmets. Nice.
So you've got the big battery, huh?
Thank you. Big.
Ivy's gonna have a raincoat? Or is she okay?
So everybody has something. If they get it wet, they have another, and they'll be fine.
When you get to school?
Yeah.
All right. All aboard! One of the cool things about this Madsen bike is it uses these bike locks. I hear they're from Europe, where you have a key and the key stays in the lock until you put a bar through here, so you don't lose the key at all. And this is the key for the battery. I don't like this battery because you have to have a key. Some batteries will lock in and out without a key. Oh, here comes the rain. But that's my only complaint. This is a custom battery holder there. Oh, it's really raining a little bit. You guys okay? You got another layer to put on the school show. You got a raincoat. You're all set. I gotta go inside the garage. Oh my God. It's gonna end though, it said. It's ending soon. And it's a tropical storm, so it's warm. You like it? Would you rather take the car? Should we take the car? No? Okay. You want your hood up, Ivy? It's gonna get your hat wet.
Honey?
Yeah.
Getting
Oh, the helmet. Papa's not so smart.
Wow.
Papa's silly.
So we need to take
Oh, I'm going under the car. Raining cats and dogs,
Look at
Ivy?
I really think maybe we should take this. Because it looks like it's going to be raining for a while.
It's too much rain for the bucket bike. So it's back to the Subaru. That's a total fail, but at least you got to see the gear that would get him through a light rain. That was funny. I checked the weather and it said 4%, 3%, 0% chance of rain on the hourly, but that's so stupid, right? Actually, I'm trying to have the kids not say stupid. That's so silly because you got to check the radar in New England. You never know what's going to happen with the weather, really, unless you look at the big radar cells. And even then, it's New England. All right, stay dry. Pluck, chin the ball. Stay dry out there.